Oh God, I don't want to sing.
I dare you to give me a 200 rupees.
You want me to announce your number? Should I call your mummy? No. But this is in the spirit of dare, I will honor it.
I dare you to do a bikini live.
No.
Marvin, do you like your own Tesla?
Guys, I never liked my own Tesla.
Any movie which you did, you regret choosing it?
No. My system doesn't really process regret.
I dare you to show me your wallet.
Guys, I've done some Vastu stuff. If you're truly my best friend, I will eat your cake also. Again, she can't cut my cake, but I will cut her cake.
What is your WhatsApp current DP?
Where I'm like this. Hey everyone! So guys, today I'll be doing a topic which is my absolute favorite for YouTube, and we had actually promised we'll turn it into a series. What was the topic? It was Truth or Dare, which we have got from the comments that you have replied to in the story that I just posted. Let's get started.
Mom, say truth. What's your age? Whatever it is, but you always 20.
You already know my age. See, since you declared I'm always 20, let's just assume I'm 20. It wouldn't hurt to multiply it by 2 and just add 1 for good luck. Okay, if you're weak in maths, it's 41. I'm supremely happy about it and I'm willing to announce it on a loudspeaker.
I dare you to go on a date with me.
Okay, I don't see what's so daring about it unless you're like a vampire or something. No, na? Cool, so then we can do a date. Just that you have to write to me. So please write to me on my mail ID and I'll respond to that. And a date can happen. I don't see what's so daring about going on a date with you, but I'll do it.
Please be truthful. In which year did you lose your virginity?
That happened at the right age. Like there was a time and the planets aligned and it happened at the right time when I was at the right age.
Have you ever cited any boys lower than your age?
Cited? Oh, this sounds very Chennai, na? Lingo? Whether like, oh, you are taking sight of girls. No guys, I don't sight boys. Very rarely it's happened for some Hollywood actor while I'm watching a movie. Other than that, I don't sight. I think girls are supposed to be sighted. It's opposite in the bird kingdom. There you have peacocks who will be doing the dance and everything. While the peahens approach, I think it's opposite here. So no, I didn't. But yeah, they sighted me. If that's what you're curious about.
I dare you to put a glass of water on your head.
Actually, I'll be doing it. Maybe we'll shoot it also because I think we're shooting a reel where that happens a little later. So why pour twice? I'll just pour once.
Take a selfie with Tesla.
Guys, the language is a little... Selfie is like this. And selfie with Tesla, I'm not sure.
How are you so magnetic? Need to know.
Baby beauty. Magnetism lies in the eyes of the beholder. I know it's beauty, but I would say the same for magnetism. For someone who says, whoa, it's your aura, I don't get it from everyone. There are some people who think I have a wonderful aura. There are some people who think I don't have one. But if you find me magnetic, I'm deeply grateful. But it's the way you look at me. It's nothing innately magnetic about me like that, I think.
I dare you to do a bikini live.
No. I don't want to do this dare.
I dare you to give me an open free subscription account.
Done? Bang. Your ID, as I can see, is Shiv Teja Subedar. We need an email from you with some more details and we will process this dare for you.
Tell me the truth. Any movie which you did, you regret choosing it?
No. I'm being very honest. My system doesn't really process regret. Like I can't remember in my life when I felt it. Because whatever decision I take, guys, always remember, it's the best you could decide with what you knew then. So I never judge my past self about, oh, I should have chosen better, done better. Us time ke liye jo mere ko samajh mein aaya, I did the best. And then I completely back up my past version. So no, I don't regret. I don't think you should either.
Marvin, do you like your own Tesla?
Guys, I never liked my own Tesla. But thank you for making me fall in love with my own Tesla. I know the dialogue is, oh, thank you for making me in love with myself. But I can love it now because you helped me love it. Honestly, otherwise I don't think it was something that special.
I dare you to give me a 200 rupees, either Phone Pay or Google Pay, and I'm sending you my number.
So guys, this is a one-time thing. Please don't read into it and assume anything more, since this is a dare. And in the spirit of the shoot, I had promised that if I say yes to something, we will go ahead with it then and there. So yes, we will be transferring 200 rupees. You want me to announce your number? Should I call your mummy? No. I'm transferring, don't worry. Yeah.
24
Yeah.
8
Yeah. Guys, again, this is a one-time thing. Lot of you are sending me mails for loans and everything. And I would recommend that you go to a bank. But this is in the spirit of dare, I will honor it.
Can I see your Tesla in close look?
Aren't you already zooming in my pictures? All of you? But you can if you want to. See, I get it if I'm hiding it. But it's there for you to see. And yeah, a lot of you have written to me that we need a high resolution photo because when we are zooming in, it's not so clear.
Do you have any plans to get a navel piercing done?
Yes. In future. Because I have a not theory, I have a preference. I know a lot of you are like, just get it, we love you either ways, which means a lot to me. But guys, I think a piercing looks beautiful when there are like cuts on the abs, little bit. So first was to just get something called abs, and then I'll work on the cuts, after which there will be a piercing. But this lifetime, I promise you.
I dare you to show me your wallet.
Wallet, purse, all right, I'll show you. Guys, no mystery there. I'm just flattered you think it'll be that exciting. Yeah, guys, I was told by an astrologer to have a green wallet because I'm very mercurial due to Mercury. Something like that. I hope it's... I'll start with the last. Okay, these are some Feng Shui coins which someone had gifted me for good luck and something. It's been there for more than 3 or 4 years because I just saw it. All right. Mostly cards, guys. You want to see my cards? I don't think so. There's Aadhaar and PAN, which I will not show you in this lifetime. Because those photos you cannot filter. What else? Is there anything interesting? No, guys. It is some notes. It is relationship manager's card from 2 or 3 of the banks where I have accounts. And just for fun, there is $1 US. Guys, I've done some Vastu stuff. And this is a quality certificate for one of the crystal bracelets I own. Why is this in my wallet? Yeah, guys, that's my wallet.
I dare you to sing the chorus of the song that is currently stuck in your head.
Oh, no. Oh God, I don't want to sing. Okay, there's one song called TikTok. No, not Keisha TikTok. There's another TikTok. By Mabel, I think. I hear it every day. The chorus is 24/7 got you on my mind, thinking about you all the time. My body wants you night and day, but my head is screaming, go away, tick-tock, tick-tock. This is one. No, guys, there are 3 songs. I can't remember the chorus of the second, although I hear it every day. Yeah, okay, I got too ambitious at the start because it was about singing, but I'll close this question here.
Okay, tell me honestly, what are your thoughts when you're alone?
Oh, guys, I specialize in blankness. Do you know? Like, saaf suthra canvas. Now, I don't know. Some people say, ooh, that means you're very meditative. Or maybe, hey, I got a topic for the next episode. We should just do where I'm reading out my report cards from school. So you get to know me better as a person when I was a child. So I specialize in blankness since you asked thoughts. From lower KG, I think till the 10th standard. There was one constant in my report card. Child daydreams too much. Child stares out of window. Child doesn't pay attention. Because guys, I was specializing in blankness, which in today's day and age with all the mental health ruckus that's happening is a whole blessing. But yeah, then it was considered a problem. Mostly it'll be blank and sometimes it'll be a very... Why is pickleball called pickleball when there's no pickle?
Tu samjha? हाँ. नहीं, tu samjha नहीं.
These are the life-altering questions I ponder upon.
Did you ever steal anything till now?
Oh man, so Every day I've been told, oh, you must be a thief because you stole my heart. Was your father a thief because he stole the stars from the sky and put them in your eyes? So yeah, that way I've been stealing hearts since I was a little girl. Other than that, no. Like, yeah, initial for projects, guys, I've taken clothes, which I wore as the character, as an actor. I have always informed and taken, so I don't think that counts as stealing. I would actually kind of formally tell the production or the producer that, sir, I'm taking these 2 costumes. And then there were some, of course, who were like, why do actors steal? I was like, no, it's not stealing if you informed. That's the only thing I remember, guys. Oh yeah, okay, it's cute, but my sister doesn't find it cute. When we were children, I wouldn't say I stole food, but like, if the other kids or cousins were asleep, and I knew there is something in the fridge, which will be fought over the next day, I used to go and just take care of it. The good thing is there was no fight because it was gone. And the other plus is that all the cousins got united because there was a common enemy. So I was building bonds between the cousins by ensuring that the tasty thing is not available next day morning. You can ask my sister. My mom used to make, she's now stopped because I ate the whole cake. But she used to make really nice cakes, big ones. And portion control has always been a challenge for me. Because it's a cake you eat, right? Who does small piece of cake nonsense? Cake, okay. And she like homemade, so I thought it's healthy. Anyways, I told mom I want a lot of icing. Okay, as a child, people, even today, I felt like there's too much cake and very little icing. The entire thing should be icing and there should be this much cake. One very tasty, yummy recipe she had. It has icing sugar, lemon, real chocolate, cocoa powder, I don't know what. So I did things like scraping off all the icing from top, putting only the icing in one bowl and putting little bit of cake like one decoration on top. I finished the entire icing and I kept that plain cake back in the fridge with a cover. So next day morning when my sister woke up, she cried, which I don't think it was necessary to cry for such a thing. It was just icing. But I did stuff like that. And that's when she said, oh, you stole the cake icing. There's another friend, guys, sorry. This is the only time I remember having stolen, unless someone can validate a new story. My childhood best friend, Juhi. She's now does a lot of wonderful work. With mental health and therapy and all of that, and we met a few years back and she sent me photos just last week of her birthday party. She was my certified best friend, 2 years older than me. Again, her mom did cakes at home, butterfly cake, football cake, Barbie doll cake, okay, ghar pe, with that very colorful icing. And if you were a 90s kid, aajkal to bahut aise stylish ho gaye cakes, you got those cherries which were actually pumpkin, which was dyed red and soaked in sugar syrup. But there were cherries on the cake. So guys, my thing has always been cherry on the cake. At every birthday of hers, for I think 5 or 6 consecutive birthdays, it is her birthday. The knife is in her hand. I'm her best friend, so I get to stand closest to her. And I'm not letting anyone else come close to the cake. And her mom is like, beti, 5 kilo ka cake hai, sab kha sakte hai bacche. Koi baat nahi, piche chalo. Like, nahi. Okay. First of all, I would go cut the cake with her because at that age I thought if you're my best friend, I cut your cake. Like if you're truly my best friend, I will eat your cake also. That is what friendship is. If you felt bad, then you're not my best friend. Again, she can't cut my cake, but I will cut her cake. She cut the cake. One is I cut with her and they go, happy birthday to... Before you, there were 4 cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4 and I stole. And the birthday girl cried. And her mom said, bete aise nahi. Andar aur cherries hai. I said, no, I want the one which was on the cake, which everyone was looking at. Guys, these are the instances where I stole something. She still says she has mild trauma because of all the cake I stole. She said, I was a middle class child and you took my cake every birthday.
What is your WhatsApp current DP?
I'll show it to you. I think it's denims and a tube, which yours truly, DOP Praveena, has shot, where I'm like this. Or like this, I'm not sure. The only reason I remember is because I was learning there's something called WhatsApp status. One more thing to upload status. Yeah, guys, that's my WhatsApp DP. Okay, so guys, that was me responding to your truth and dares. I've had amazing fun with this. I really think this will become a very long series. So guys, the most common question and dare I got asked today was for a date. And there were so many of them. So I would request all of you to write down to this email ID and we are going to plan a fan meet around it. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.